The Al-Aqsa compound, known as Masjid Al-Aqsa, holds immense significance in Islamic history, closely intertwined with the lives of various prophets. The mosque is located in Jerusalem, in Arabic known as Shaam. It has been a central place of worship for Muslims from the time of Prophet Adam. Some believe Masjid Al-Aqsa was built by him, some believe it was built by angels, while others attribute its construction to Prophet Ibrahim. Over the centuries, it has been rebuilt and expanded. During the era of Prophet Yaqub, care for mosque was entrusted to the Palestinians. Later, under Prophet Daoud and Prophet Suleiman, the mosque was rebuilt and Jerusalem became a significant center. However, it faced destruction multiple times, notably by the Babylonians, Persians, and Romans. According to Islamic sources, the Quran indicates that Prophet Muhammad was miraculously transported one night from Mecca, Masjid Al-ḥaram. Prophet Muhammad's night journey and ascension to the heavens added to the spiritual importance of Al-Masjid Al-Aqsa. Under Umar Ibn Al-Khattab's rule, the mosque was rebuilt in 638 AD after centuries of neglect. Throughout centuries, Muslim control over Masjid Al-Aqsa endured, fostering peace, justice, and prosperity. The Crusaders' brief occupation in 1099 brought indiscriminate killing and destruction. But Saladin Ayyubi reclaimed it in 1187, ushering in a period of just rule. Ottoman rule further preserved the sanctity of Jerusalem and Masjid Al-Aqsa. In 1917, British occupation marked the end of 8 centuries of Muslim rule. After World War II, Zionist movements sought to establish a Jewish state, leading to tensions and conflicts. In 1967, Israel illegally occupied East Jerusalem, but handed Masjid Al-Aqsa back to Muslim control following protests. Since then, the mosque has faced ongoing challenges, with Israeli authorities imposing restrictions on Palestinian access, permitting excavation works beneath it, and allowing Jewish entry during certain times. The UN has passed resolutions condemning Israel's actions, highlighting the international community's concerns. Despite numerous trials, the mosque remains a symbol of resilience for Palestinians, representing the broader struggle for justice and freedom in the region. The mosque's rich history underscores its spiritual importance, uniting Muslims worldwide in their commitment to preserving its sanctity. This tour will take you inside the Dome of the Rock and Al-Qibli Mosque, and around many of the other religious landmarks on the compound's 14-hectare grounds. You are now at the top of the central platform housing the Dome of the Rock, which was built on the highest spot of Al-Aqsa compound, a plateau that rises 4 meters above the rest of the mosque's courtyard. Caliph Abd-ul-Malik bin Marwan had the dome built in the 7th century. On top of a large rock, the spot where Muslims believe the Prophet Muhammad ascended into heaven. It is one of the earliest existing models of Islamic architecture. If you look closely at the Dome of the Rock, you will see that it is decorated with tin-glazed earthenware and verses from the Quran. Also in this area of the platform is the Dome of Ascension. You are now on the eastern side of the Dome of the Rock platform. Move away from the Dome of the Rock, and you will see the Dome of the Chain, which is located next to it and used as a space for prayer. Let's go inside the Dome of the Rock. Many Muslims come here to read and discuss the Quran. If you look up, you can see a brilliant mosaic of tiles on the ceiling. And towards the center of the room, a cylindrical column houses the Holy Rock of Ascension. Behind the green plastic sheeting, the dome's artwork in mosaics are being renovated. Do you see the open doorway on the side of the central column? These visitors are going downstairs. Let's follow them. Now we are underneath the Holy Rock of Ascension, in a tiny cave where worshippers come to pray like this man here. If you look around the whole cave, you will see the space is very small, Only a handful of people can comfortably pray here at any given time. The cave is a naturally occurring structure, and many Muslims believe that it is blessed. We are now outside of the mosque in the courtyard on its western side. From this courtyard, visitors can access the Islamic Museum, located next to the Moroccan Gate. It is believed to be the first museum founded in Palestine. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel.